Hello everyone, in this video we are going to cover public relations, a topic from marketing management. As we know that an organization have to work in a social system. It deals with different groups and it is continuously in touch with people around it. So organizations have to keep utmost care while dealing with the public. So what are public relations? Public relations is to maintain relations with public. Different and variety of programs are designed to maintain or enhance a company's image and the products and services it offers. Like we can say sponsorships offered by the organizations or the camps organized by the organizations. So all these steps are taken so to improve the goodwill of the organization. Now we are using the word public. Public here includes customers, shareholders, suppliers, intermediaries, government officials, and employees. Organizations not only have to deal with the customers, but with all of these parties, that is, customers, shareholders, supplier, intermediaries, government officials, employees. So there are different promotion mix elements like advertising, sales promotion, personal selling. But public relation is the powerful and most cost effective of all promotional activities. The Public Relations Society of America defines it as a strategic communication process. The aim is to build beneficial relationships between organizations and their publics. Another definition is the deliberate, planned, and sustained effort to establish and maintain mutual understanding between an organization and its publics. Public relations is practiced by all type of organizations, not only by profit earning organizations. All type of organizations like government organizations, trade associations, non-profit organizations. So all type of organizations adopt PR. What are the objectives of public relations? Create a positive goodwill in the minds of stakeholders, present a favorable image and reap its benefits, prevention and resolution of labor issues, to improve employee relations, fostering a favorable relationship with communities in which the organization has units. For example, a hospital has been established in a backward area. Now the hospital management is organizing different camps in that particular area so that it can enhance the reputation of the hospital. Next, educating the public in the use of a product or service or regarding a point of view, and then to attract the talent. Next, we have public relation tools. What are different public relations tools that can be used? The very first is news releases and media kits. A news release or press release is the most widely used PR tool. Consists of one or more typed sheets of information used to generate publicity. News releases cover time sensitive hard news. Announcement of new product, promotion of an executive, and unusual contest are done through news releases. Then we have a press kit. A press kit or media kit supports the publicity gained at stage events such as press conference or open houses. The kit also contains news story about the event for the broadcast media, news and feature stories for the print media, and photos and brochures. Next we have photos. Photos of events, products in use, new equipments, or newly promoted executives can create interest to a dull news story. A photo tells the story faster. Photo should be of good quality and need little or no explanation. Then we have articles. Many publications, particularly trade publications, run feature articles about companies, products, or services. They may be written by a PR person, the publication staff, or a third party. Feature article give the company or the product credibility. Then we have printed materials. Printed materials are the most popular tools used by the public relation professionals. They may be brochures or pamphlets about the company or its products, letters to customers, the annual report to stockholders, and other reports. Then there are posters, exhibits, and bulletin boards. Posters can be used internally to stress safety, security, reduction of waste, and courtesy. Externally, they can impart product information, corporate philosophy, or other news of interest to customers. Companies use exhibits to describe the organization's history, present news, new products, or explain future plans. Exhibits are often prepared for local fairs, colleges and universities, and trade shows. Internally, the public relations staff often uses bulletin boards to announce new equipment, meetings, promotion, new product, and recreation news to employees. Audiovisual material. Audiovisual material includes slides, films, and CDs which are used for training, sales, or public relations. So, this was about public relations. Thank you so much.